Hi. Hey guys, it's me, Farrell from Otter Team 4512, and welcome to Chillin mEdiA, the series that no one wanted.
Hey guys, my name is Moses and I'm the media director over here at Otter 4512. So right now we're shooting on a Canon T1i with the Yongnuo f1.8, and as you can tell, the image quality is absolute garbage and the audio is even worse. So I think I should just go out, use the robotics money, and just invest in a nice new camera. Just kidding, people will get mad. Don't actually do that. So, first things first, audio is key. Remember that most people can forgive a bad image if your audio is good, but if you have 4K vocalicious crispiness, but your audio is just straight garbage, most people will just click off and they just won't care. So right now, we're using a Purple Panda lav mic, which is around 30 bucks on Amazon. Link in the description if you want one. And in 3, 2, 1. You can totally hear the difference now, right? Yeah, it's just so much crispy, and even with this image, we could probably still post this and some people would still watch it all the way through. Even though most people will forgive you if you have good audio, it's actually really important if you have a really nice image, you know, because who would watch a bad video? So let's go fix this. First off, our aperture is closed down to f11, which is not that good since this lens can open up to f1.8. Watch our video on camera basics if you don't know what we're talking about. Your ISO. We have our ISO set up to 3200. This camera can go down to ISO 100, and as you can tell, the image is probably real grainy because of the ISO. Last but not least is white balance. White balance is important because, you know, the wrong colors, it just won't look natural. So if we set that in 3, 2, 1.
Well, when you look at that, doesn't that look so much better?